Hey, what's up, Pundi X holder? So what's going on? Today video is going to be very special for Pundi X holder because we do a prediction to the Pundi X, my friend. Upcoming days going up or fails down. Exactly, my friend. At the same time, at the current situation, you can see her very bad and they completely fails down. But my friend, what we do in upcoming days, they're going up for sale. Now, please hold, buy, sell. Everything in this video discussing, my friend. So keep watch. Don't skip any second of this video. Let's get started the price prediction, my friend, of Pundi X coin. So my friend, first of all, I request you to please, if you are new on our channel, most welcome, subscribe our YouTube channel for latest news and updates. Thank you so much, my brother, for subscription and press bell icon for videos notification. Okay, my friend, if you can see here this time, the last 7 days chart, I already opened it, and the last 7 days they fails down minus 10.404%. They fails down. So exactly very bad fall, my friend. But you can see here this time the price is also very badly decreased now. 0.003915 USD dollar. The price is decreased. So I think this is very bad falls, and a lot of people just in the loss, my friend, very badly lost in a Pundi X. So this time, my friend, if you can see here, I draw a line one. This line touches the highest point of this chart, my friend. You can see here. Okay, and I draw a second line, my friend. This point, this line touch the lowest point, my friend. So this is the circulation, my friend. If you can see here, after this jump they fails down, my friend, and after this fails they take a gain jump. You can see here they take a gain jump, and you can see here after that they again fails down, and after that again they go up. So that's true, my friends, to upcoming days. This is, I guarantee you, to upcoming days Pundi X is moving up like a rocket. You can see here absolutely they up like a rocket. But if you can see here, they take a very small jump, my friend, not a big jump. Exactly, you can see here, if this is the resistance line, my friend, you can see here this is the level line. After that, my friend, after this fail, my friend, they take a very small jump from that jump. Okay, absolutely, this jump is very high, you can see here, but this jump is very low, my friend. So it's mean to upcoming days they take a very low jump, my friend. It's definitely depend on, my friend, the luck, because absolutely, if your luck is good, then what we say today, they take a very high jump. But my friend, this is the technical analysis proof, my friend. Today upcoming days they fails down like this, my friend. So please hold it. If you are hold it for a long time, then exactly you are right to hold it. But if you are not for a long time holder, then absolutely please sell it. I think this is good time for you to use sell it. But the price is definitely very badly increased now and decreased now, my friend. So please what I tell you, please understand or be safe from more loss. So thank you so much for the X holder. Please like this video, subscribe this channel, and for more latest updates for altcoin, I tell you, my friend, all cryptocurrencies, please subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz, take care.